Tonight, the world is quiet. The sky is soft and dark. The moon is floating slowly above the trees. The wind moves gently through the leaves. In a small village near a quiet lake, there lives a boy named Leo. Leo is a simple boy. He likes quiet places. He likes soft sounds. And he loves the peaceful lake near his home. Every evening, Leo walks to the lake. He sits on a smooth rock near the water. He watches the moon shining on the lake. The water moves slowly like it is breathing. Leo likes to sit there and think. Sometimes he thinks about the clouds. Sometimes he thinks about the stars. Sometimes he thinks about nothing at all. Tonight, Leo brings something special with him. He carries a small lantern. The lantern is old and round. It shines with a warm, golden light. Leo found this lantern in his grandfather's attic. His grandfather once told him something very interesting. He said, "Leo, this lantern is not ordinary. This lantern shines brighter when someone is kind." Leo did not fully understand, but he liked the lantern very much. So tonight he carries it to the lake. The night is calm. The lake is quiet. Crickets are singing softly in the grass. An owl calls from far away in the forest. Leo sits on the rock. He places the lantern beside him. The warm light touches the water. The lake looks like a sheet of glass. Leo takes a deep breath. The cool night air feels nice. He looks up at the stars. There are so many stars tonight. They look like tiny silver lights in the sky. Leo whispers softly, "I wonder how far they are." The lantern flickers gently beside him. Leo smiles. Suddenly, he hears something small. Splash. Leo looks at the water. A tiny frog jumps onto the rock. The frog looks at Leo with round eyes. Leo laughs quietly. "Hello, little frog," he says. The frog sits still. Leo notices something. The frog's leg is hurt. The frog cannot jump well. Leo feels sad for the frog. He slowly moves his hand closer. "Don't worry," he whispers. "I will not hurt you." The frog does not move. Leo gently picks up the frog. He walks slowly to the edge of the lake. There are soft plants and wet grass there. It is a safe place for frogs. Leo carefully puts the frog there. "Rest here," he says softly. "You will feel better soon." At that moment, something interesting happens. The lantern suddenly glows brighter. The golden light becomes warm and strong. Leo looks at the lantern in surprise. "Oh," he says quietly. Grandfather was right. He smiles. The lantern slowly becomes calm again. Leo sits down on the rock. The night grows deeper. The moon moves higher in the sky. A gentle wind moves across the lake. The water shines like silver. After some time, Leo hears another sound. Soft footsteps. He turns around. It is an old woman from the village. She walks slowly along the path. She looks tired. Leo stands up. "Good evening," Leo says kindly. The old woman smiles gently. "Good evening, Leo." She sits on a nearby stone. "My legs are tired," she says. "I walked a long way." Leo thinks for a moment. Then he moves the lantern closer to her. The warm light surrounds them. "Rest here," Leo says. "The night is peaceful." The old woman sighs happily. "Yes," she says. "The lake is very calm tonight." They sit quietly together. They watch the moon. They listen to the water moving slowly. After a while, the old woman stands again. "Thank you, Leo," she says. "You are a kind boy." She walks slowly back toward the village. Leo watches her disappear into the trees. Then he looks at the lantern again. It glows brighter once more. The golden light becomes soft and warm. Leo feels happy inside. He whispers softly. Kindness makes the lantern shine. The night becomes even quieter. The crickets continue their gentle song. The owl flies silently across the sky. Leo lies back on the rock. He watches the clouds slowly moving past the moon. The lantern rests beside him. Its light moves softly in the dark. Leo begins to feel sleepy. His eyes grow heavy. The air is cool and calm. The lake whispers softly against the shore. Leo thinks about the frog. He hopes the frog feels better. He thinks about the old woman. He hopes she reaches home safely. The lantern glows gently beside him. Leo closes his eyes for a moment. He listens to the night, the wind in the trees, the quiet water, the distant owl. Everything feels peaceful. Everything feels safe. Leo opens his eyes again. The stars seem even brighter now. He whispers softly to the sky. "Good night, stars." The lantern flickers slowly. Its light becomes softer and softer. Leo stands up. It is time to go home. He picks up the lantern. The path through the trees is calm and dark, but the lantern lights the way. Leo walks slowly. Each step is quiet. The leaves crunch softly under his feet. Soon he reaches the small village. The houses are quiet. Most people are sleeping. Leo reaches his home. He opens the wooden door. Inside, everything is warm and peaceful. Leo places the lantern on the small table near his bed. The golden light fills the room. He changes into his soft pajamas. He climbs into his cozy bed. The blanket is warm. The pillow is soft. Leo looks at the lantern one more time. It glows gently in the dark room. Leo smiles. He whispers, "Good night, little lantern." The light slowly becomes softer. Leo closes his eyes. Outside, the moon shines over the quiet lake. The trees sway gently in the night wind. The frog rests safely near the water. The old woman sleeps peacefully in her home. And in Leo's room, the little lantern glows softly. Because kindness always leaves a little light behind. And slowly, quietly, Leo falls into a deep, peaceful sleep. The night watches over everything, calm, silent, safe, and full of gentle dreams. Good night.